Guys, welcome to CDS team outing to Goa. Come. Hey, come. Yeah, Bharat sir. Yeah, welcome. Hello, hi.
Hi.
Yeah,
Hey bro, what is it bro?
Arey yaar, arey you Naganandan. Yeah, yarappa. Hi.
Suman,
Hello.
no one is there.
Hey. Hi. Hi.
So everyone is going out for air.
Huh? For air? No. They are feeling suffocated on CDS team outing. So waste. Ajay Surya PM, Ice Core developer. Come.
Hi bro. Hi Jagdish.
Hi.
Hi Mohan.
Hi
bro.
SD and not MTT.
SSD ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಹಾಯ್ ಇವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಟ್ರಿಪ್
Hi, Jess.
ಆರ್ಗನೈಸರ್.
Hello.
ಬರ್ರಪ್ಪ. ಏ
Hi.
ಹೆಲೋ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸರ್.
Jatin bro.
ಜತಿನ್
Thanks for organizing.
ಜತಿನ್ ಸರ್.
Jatin sir.
Yes.
Dinesh sir.
ದಿನೇಶ್ ಜೂನಿಯರ್ ಡೆವಲಪರ್. intern.
Intern in age, but not in talent.
Hey, come back. Hi.
It's off.
Hey, it's start from up, bro. Life is going down.
Okay.
Oh. You are Amar.
Aryan.
Hi. Amar.
Hi bro.
Ali.
Gautam.
Hi Gautam.
No
one is there.
Chalo, bye.
Me.
हाँ, myself.
You are there bro. Full video you are only there.
हाँ, चलो.
So we are going out for the
Why?
air.
For air. वाह बेटे. सही वो लॉगिन करता है. तेरे को एक लाइक नहीं आएगा. यार
Vinit sir or HR. Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. We have started to Goa now.
What?
Let's check the vibe.
Bus bro. We are taking this plant photo. Bro, auto barla. Arun. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಬಂದು ಮಕ್ಕ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ಅವನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾನಲ್ಲ.
Then bro, where are we? Where are we going to?
We are in some forest. We are going to Dudhsagar.
So we stopped here for tree where
Yeah.
there is no tea shop.
Yes.
Thanks to Jatin bro.
Thanks to Jagdish. Hey, there is a hotel bro. Come with me. I will show you.
So Jagdish is taking us to one hotel where no tea, no food, nothing is there.
So there is a family restaurant bro. You can go there.
So some guys are stopped there. He's showing. Found the hotel. Jagdish only won the battle.
Batting?
Battle.
Drinking?
It has been 8:30 and we are drinking tea. Still 1.5 hour away from the base camp of the trek.
I'm not sure if you guys will go for the trek. Bye.
Nandini is going
We
for
will definitely go for the trek.
Yeah. See the Josh.
Juice kudidadara tea.
I'm also coming for
Yeah.
trekking.
These three are from.
That you don't need to tell.
So we are almost reaching Dudhsagar camp point because of traffic jam. It took very late. So everyone is excited. You can see.
Who told I'm excited? Huh? Too much of guards
Because,
were. I'm not at all excited. No, not excited.
She's not coming for trek.
Yeah, I'm not coming for trek also.
Bro, I am excited bro. I am excited.
Check the Jagdish vibe.
Yeah, what vibe?
Yeah! Woo! Jatin bro. Oh, waterfalls. We have started the trek with empty stomach. We didn't even do the fresh up also. So because of late, let's see if we can go also to the trek.
You are uploading this all things?
I am the first person to trek So you can see boys coming in the back. What Jagdish? How you are feeling?
Hi.
Basically there.
We have started Dudhsagar trek.
Yeah.
Hopefully we'll complete.
Hopefully we'll complete by end of the day. Some folks are still coming. I'll join with them and go. Start, entrance point, gate.
Okay, there is no like this way now, just small path and railway track. Okay, so enjoy your trip, be safe. So we'll be there.
Bus.
Let's go.
Thank you.
Oh, walking on the railway track. You can hear and see the stream water sound. Very pleasant. Don't know when the train will come. Until then we are safe. We are walking on this meter gauge like this, and it is very comfortable. Otherwise on the pebbles it's not. Just now took the diversion from the railway track. Let's go. We have reached the ticket place and then we'll have breakfast here. So you can see Jagdish is waiting with his food.
Hi bro.
And eagerly waiting to eat.
Yes bro.
Hi Tarun.
Hi.
I am also very hungry. I'll eat and then continue. Yeah, we have started the trek with having the breakfast. Breakfast is not good, but still we don't have any choice. Yeah. Bye bye. Let's go in train. Train ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಮಜಾ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮಜಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Hi guys.
Hi bro.
We are going on to the trek. I thought we'll go on to the Dudhsagar, but not. We are going down the Dudhsagar.
Bro, I don't have any questions to ask you.
So it's almost 12 kilometers trek and 24 kilometers round trip. So mostly it will be steep only. It's not trekking, mountain hiking and all. So let's make fun. But the only thing is we don't have water.
You will get some water there bro.
There is one stream. Let's bath there only. Let's drink water there only. That's it.
You can say hi bro.
Hi guys. We have arrived late, so we didn't have breakfast. No bathing, no brush, teeth.
Simply we woke up and we are going that way.
Khali we have.
ಜೀವನ ಹಂಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬ್ರೋ.
What ಜೀವನ bro?
ಇದೇ ಜೀವನ. ದಾರಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು.
Should be adventurous, no?
Yeah.
Excited for the Dudhsagar.
How much?
Amazing walking on the tracks.
How much you are excited bro?
చింపేద్దాం.
చంపేద్దాం bro.
ఇచ్చి పడేద్దాం అంతే.
Come bro.
Come Jatin. Hi Amit.
Hey hi. Hi Tarun, hi.
Jai Shri Ram.
Dudhsagar.
Yo! Naganandan is going out of the frame for no reason. Hi Arvind.
Hi.
Bolo okay.
This time I think
Namit. Vinit sir. Taking the easy route.
I just saw this route, so this is better. Thank you, blogger Varun.
We have found the easier way, which is beside the railway track.
this one.
So this is the stream water. We have filled our water bottles here in this flow. Now we are ready with one water bottle. Let's go. And after 7 kilometers we have one more stream. Again back to the forest route. Took the diversion left of the railway track. You can see the view. Woo!
ಹೋಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾರ್ದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
Legs are paining.
How's the Josh friend?
We have found our bunch of missing people. Jatin is giving calories to everyone to be energized. Mushrooms, guys, in the beginning stage. As I am taking video, he is giving extra piece for me. You can see the hill over there. Vlogger Tarun guys, jai! So now again back to the sun. So we have encountered one more stream. Less water, more of stones. People are enjoying it. It's very skidding. It is very slippery. Woo! ಕುಡಿಬೋದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕುಡಿಬೋದು. For flowing water, you can drink anytime, anywhere. పారే నీటికి పట్టింపు ఉండవు అంటారు కదా, అంతే.
So Tarun is having now refreshment. Directly from nature and also from Arvind.
Drink Tarun. Water is very tasty, guys.
Yeah.
You can't get this in cities.
Bro, someone is peeing
Just
there.
move out. Just move out like us and enjoy the life.
See where it is all coming from. All the way from here towards here.
It is tastier than reverse osmosis RO water.
Yeah, so finally Tarun got the energy. Now he can go more than 24 kilometers.
Yes.
Yeah.
Top player. Some people are washing shoes there
And
and
we
the
are
water is flowing like this and we are drinking here. We don't know what happens to us. If something happens, he is only responsible. So it's very slippery, guys. So for this Dudhsagar trek, for every 10 people there will be one guide, and for each camera and GoPro, whatever you are carrying, you have to pay a ticket for that. And there will be little bit of railway track walking and nature walking like this. And yeah, and we are in September season, kind of monsoon, but still by God's grace there is no rain and sunrise bahut dhoop hai. Let's see. Now though we are getting dehydrating and we are drinking that stream water only. Let's see how will be tomorrow and does it make any effect on us. So here it is Vishranti Bhavan. We can take some drinks also, vodka. So we got one shop and we have taken Nimbus, and here there is one diversion left side. You can see stream of people. La la, ooh la la, ooh la la. Now the climate is very cool. It's very good to walk. View of Dudhsagar waterfalls. Mohan on fire. I have crossed this river like this. Woo! Crossing the water river, flowing water. This was easy because concrete that was very slippery. See the water. भाई साहब, अब मजा आ गया सभी लोगों को. So how do you guys feel now?
I feel very
Is it worth trekking?
You should only tell.
Woo! Final viewpoint of the Dudhsagar trek. It happened all because of me.
It happened all because of me.
And budget is Perfume's budget.
Hey!
So our guys are sitting for photo shoot. Let's shoot them.
ब्लॉगर तरुण.
You can see the beautiful.
दूधसागर.
Dudhsagar trek. Look there. So we are almost tired and 3 kilometers away from the base camp. Now we are walking on the railway track. It was very good by seeing the Dudhsagar waterfalls, and we have enjoyed bathing there. Maza aa gaya.